Today I'm making frozen lemon cheesecake bars. First I'm going to make the filling, so I'm going to add 2 boxes of instant cheesecake pudding mix into a bowl. Next I'm going to add 2 cups of milk. Then I'm going to mix this up until the pudding thickens, and then I'm going to put this in the fridge for 10 minutes. After the pudding was in the fridge for 10 minutes, I took it out, and now I'm going to add 8 ounces of Cool Whip and fold that in. Next I'm going to make the crust, so in a bowl I have 30 chopped up lemon Oreos. Next I'm going to add 1 stick of melted butter and mix that up until it's combined. Then I have a lined 8x8 pan. I added half of the lemon cookie mixture and I'm going to spread that out. Then add the cheesecake pudding mixture and spread that out. Next add the rest of the lemon cookie mixture and spread that out. Next cover this in plastic wrap and put this in the freezer for 6 hours. After the 6 hours I took it out of the pan and put it onto a cutting board, and now to cut the bars I'm going to dip the knife in hot water to make it easier to cut the bars into pieces. Once the bars were all cut into pieces, I put them on a plate, and here's an up close look of the frozen lemon cheesecake bars.